Assalamualaikum everybody. Today we're going to make strawberry cake pops. I already washed my hands, so we'll need some strawberry cake, sprinkled, and also some dry fruit. You can see melted chocolate, some whipped cream, and some sticks. First you have to make the cake into little pieces. Very little pieces. So I'm mashing it to very little pieces. Now I'm going to put the cream inside. I put more. So I mixed it all in. It has to look like a dough. I'm going to make a ball with it. Now it's a ball like this. Now I'm going to put on one stick. I made 6 strawberry pops right here. You can see right here. Now I'm going to put into it a melted chocolate. Here, I'm putting the chocolate on the cake pop. I put the Nutella on the 6 strawberry cake pops. Now I'm going to put some sprinkles on. And some dry fruit too. The hard one. My cake pops are ready. I set them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let me try one. It's very yummy. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and like. Bye.